தமிழகத்தில் ஜல்லிக்கட்டு போட்டிகள் நடத்த மத்திய அரசு அனுமதி வழங்கியுள்ளதாக தொடர்பாக ஓய்வு பெற்ற உச்சநீதிமன்ற நீதிபதி மார்க்கண்டேய கட்ஜுவுடன் நமது டெல்லி செய்தியாளர் ஸ்டீஃபன் நடத்திய கலந்துரையாடலை தற்போது பார்க்கலாம்.
So finally the notification has been issued by the ministry. Is it lifting up the ban or allowing just Jallikattu? What is the difference?
No, there is no difference. You see, earlier section 22 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act mentioned that no performing animal specified by the government as a performing animal will be exhibited. Now, in this new notification which has been issued by the central government, they have carved out an exception, because earlier bull was one of the performing animals mentioned as being prohibited for being used as a performing animal. Now they have the new notification says that bull used in Jallikattu can be exhibited. Earlier all bulls were prohibited for being used in as performing animals. Now they have carved out an exception and they have said bull used in Jallikattu can be exhibited.
So will there be a legal complication by this notification?
No, there will be no legal complication, because you see, earlier the law prohibited a bull being used as a performing animal, and in Jallikattu it is used as a performing animal. But now the new notification says that bull used in Jallikattu will be permitted to be used. So now there is no legal complication.
So you said that you want to come to Tamil Nadu and to see Jallikattu. When are you coming to Tamil Nadu?
Yes, as soon as some organization invites me. In fact, I put up a Facebook post today that I would like to come personally and congratulate the people of Tamil Nadu for this great victory, for which of course they owe it to their Chief Minister Madam Jayalalitha and also the central government. And I would like to be the first to be the one who will handle a bull in the Jallikattu. So if any organization invites me, I will be very happy to come. And in fact, although I am 70 years of age, I am still physically quite fit. I will personally be the first to take part in the Jallikattu and handle the bull. And in fact, you know, this Jallikattu is part of Tamil culture. It has been mentioned in Silapati Haram and in Sangam literature, very centuries old tradition, and it is symbolic of the bravery of the Tamil people. You see, when I was doing a diploma course in Tamil in Allahabad University in 1963, the first sentence I read in my Tamil, primer book was Tamidar Veeram, the bravery of the Tamil people. So this Jallikattu is symbolic of the bravery of the Tamil people, who are a brave people, and this is part of the culture of Tamil, and we must respect the culture of people of different parts of the country. And this is the meaning of federalism, that you cater